Hey guys, so this is Lake McDonald with Glacier National Park in the background. We just finished Glacier. We're now heading to the true Pacific Northwest. So we're making our way to Mount Rainier. We're gonna hang out in Seattle for a couple of days. Super excited, got a long drive today, but after this, everything is pretty much within a 4-hour drive. So I'm excited about that. So hopefully you guys love the scenery. It's been incredible. We need to do just a trip in Glacier and just video of hiking. It's definitely a park where it's not really you park and get out and see something. You've really got to get in the backcountry. So super excited about what's to come, but hopefully you guys are enjoying the footage. So we'll see you soon.
Life is a journey. Everyone has a journey. The people we meet, the places we go, and the things we do mold who we are. The journey began when 4 dreamers decided to use their talents and abilities to make a difference in the world. People always talk about what they wish they could do and the dreams that they have. You can sit back and watch it pass you by, or you can get up and go.
All right, MP, your sign off.
Yeah, not a 4 minutes, any words. I'm just kidding. It was really good. I didn't think I would actually like camping. I never said that I did like camping, but I never thought that I would kind of like it. I'm just kidding. It was really good.
All right, well, MP, we love you. We'll miss you. But she's leaving the trip now, so bye.
up since 6. Did you get any footage this morning?
I did. We got footage.
So you'll see what I'm talking about. I'm a little tired. Luckily, we don't have a long drive today. It is day 8, folks. At least that's what we think it is. We're too lazy to open up the calendar and count. So I'm saying it's day 8. And I just had a bee attack me, so I really don't care. Alright? But I'm looking at that. So life is good. Got my puppy, who is focused on a little pit bull. He has been a trooper so far. But we're on day 8. We are driving through Rainier. Camped here last night in a campground that I can't pronounce. It's Indian, but super cool campground. Very like rainforesty, woodsy. Looks like something out of Star Wars. So we woke up, packed up our stuff. Now we're driving through the park. We're probably gonna do a small little hike, get some cool photos of Rainier, just check it out. And then we're gonna make our way to Seattle. We got a lot of stuff to do today. We got laundry. We gotta go get Nathan some hiking shoes because his 2 Nike sneakers that he's had since I think 7th grade, 8th grade, they're like darn near gone. So super excited about Rainier, and I'm kind of excited to relax tonight, honestly. So we'll see what's in store. Hope you guys enjoyed the videos. Click that subscribe button down below to watch more awesome videos.
Check out our website for sweet merch, blogs, and awesome content.
And if you're on social media, make sure that you're checking us out on Facebook and Instagram.
Like us, share us, wear us.
Journey signing off.